to comment on your content on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to comment on your content on Facebook. So first of all, just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just log into your Facebook account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Facebook account, in order to comment on your own content, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner, and over here just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the profile itself, and click on turn on professional mode, and just turn your professional mode on in your Facebook account. And as soon as your professional mode is on your Facebook account, just simply click on next, and just simply turn on the professional mode and click on confirm. All you have to do is just simply click on your profile section again and scroll down until you see any particular post that you have posted on the Instagram. So for example, I don't have any post in my Instagram, but I have this particular date of birth thing. So just simply click on the comment section over here and just write any comment in the comment section and click on send. Yeah, so and now your comment has been posted on your own content. So this is basically how you will be able to comment on your Facebook content of your own. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.